Hello everybody. Today, I'm excited to share with you a simple yet effective method for repairing a LED light matrix on an aluminum board. This lantern served faithfully for 2 years, illuminating every night before suddenly breaking down. Let's roll up our sleeves, disassemble it, and diagnose the issue. Thankfully, the lantern is equipped with screws, allowing easy disassembly. Armed with my homemade LED checker, just 2 lithium batteries connected in series, I began scrutinizing the LEDs on the board. Lo and behold, I discovered a dead LED. Next, I carefully removed the board, unsoldered the wires, and replaced the faulty LED using a soldering iron and home iron. The new LED, salvaged from another broken lamp, was carefully soldered into place. After reattaching the power wires and conducting a thorough check, the LED matrix sprang back to life, albeit with a slightly different light spectrum. But that's a minor concern, considering the lamp is primarily used for ambient light and motion detection. With the lantern reassembled, I conducted one last check to ensure everything was in place. Success. Fixing this light was both swift and economical. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe to avoid missing out on our next video.